Welcome back to the Epic Verification series for GMC registration. In this series, we are breaking down the Epic process into three clear steps. The first one is Epic registration, the second one is identity verification via Notary Camp, the third and the last is document submission and verification. If you haven't watched the first video on Epic registration, make sure to check that out first. It covers setting up your account and getting started. You will find the link in the description below. In this video, we are focusing on step 2, which is identity verification using Notary Cam. This step involves a live video session with a certified notary who will verify your identity and digitally notarize your documents. I will walk you through the entire process, explain what documents you will need, and share tips to make your session go smoothly. Let's get started. After you get a confirmation email from ECFMG that your account is created, log in your account, go to My Identity Documents. There you will see your picture and your passport. You will also receive there an Epic identification form which is called as EIF. Download this form. Then go to the website notarycom.com. In this website you will see two options: Certification 186 identification form and Epic identification form. Press the Get Started button. Fill in your information here with email ID, your telephone number, your name. A Notary Cam will send you an email on your email ID. Confirm your email address. Go to the link into the email ID and press Continue. Here upload the EIF form which you downloaded from ECFMG website. Upload your passport. Enter your Epic ID. Point 4 and 5, say yes and press Continue. After you do that, the Notary Cam will show you the options to schedule a call for a video identification. You have two options. Either you can do the same time, maybe you will have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the call is started, or you can schedule a time in the future. During the video verification call, the associate from Notary Cam, he will ask you some questions regarding why you are doing the verification. He will see your passport and take a picture of you, and then he will request you to sign the EIF form electronically. He will also sign the form and give it back to you. Once it's done, your whole verification for the ECFMG is finished. You can now go to the next step, which I will show you in the next video, to upload the documents for the verification. Thank you for watching.